Hey guys, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to start applying and creating masks, then distributing layers in 3D space. So first thing is to apply a mask, and in order to apply a mask, we simply select our ellipse tool. I'll zoom here a little bit. Now I'll make sure that my cursor is nearly in the middle of my screen. Then I click and drag and hold on Ctrl to create a nice mask. Something like that. This is okay. Now let's select our layer and let's reveal its mask properties by pressing MM. And here I'll change this mask from add to subtract. And I'll change the mask feather value to 60 pixels. Okay, now what we want to do now, we want to select this layer and create 7 duplicates. So select the layer and press Ctrl or Command Z on keyboard until we have a total of 8 layers on our composition. Now what we want to do, we want to select this bottom layer here and delete the mask from this layer because we don't want to have a mask on our bottom layer. Make sure that the masks are still available on the other layers. Okay, now I want to distribute these layers into 3D space. So first, make sure you have enabled the 3D option here. Select all the layers and hit P to reveal the position properties. For our top layer here, we will add a value of -3000 in the Z value here. And I'll change this camera view for now so you could see what I'm doing here. So I'll change that to a custom view. And I'll zoom out a little bit here. You don't have to do this. This is only so you could see what I'm doing. Now let's select the second layer and let's type in -2000 at the Z value here. The third one gets a value of -1200. Then we enter -600 in the fourth one. In the next one, we enter -100. And the next one gets a value of 300. Then we have 600 here in the next one. And the last one gets a value of 800 in its Z position value. And now you see what I did here. I just distributed these layers in a 3D space. And as you can see that the distance between them gets narrower as we move in this direction upwards. So let's get back to our active camera. And what I want to do now is I want to change the resolution of this pre-composition. So I'll go to my composition settings here, and let's change the composition width to 1920 times 1080. And this is the standard HDTV resolution. Then click OK. Good! Now the next step is adding a camera and start lining up our layers correctly in order to be able to travel through our 2D photo here. And that's what we are going to start working on next lecture. So I'll see you there.